Today I'm going to show you guys how I attach the collar for this pattern. The instructions ask you, once you interface and press up one of your collar pieces up 5/8 of an inch, the instructions ask you to sew them together, right sides facing like this, on all three sides, and then turn them out. So instead of doing that, how I attach the collar in a less difficult way to the shirt is, I take the piece that is not interfaced and go ahead and match this piece up with the collar opening and attach it right side down so they're kissing, and then match up the notches on the neck hole opening and the collar. And you should get here, and there should be that 5/8 of an inch seam allowance that sticks out from the side, just like this. Go ahead and leave that opening right there and just pin this down. You should have another 5/8 of an inch gap on this side. Make sure you have that. Go ahead and pin it in place. So now what we'll do is go to the sewing machine and sew the first layer of our collar down at 5/8 of an inch. Once you finish sewing that collar and pressing up the seam allowance, it should look something like this. You match up now your other collar piece, right sides facing, to the collar piece you've just sewn. So now when you sew this collar piece at its 5/8 of an inch seam allowance, you just want to make sure, regardless of if it's 5/8 or not, because this is actually pretty tight, that I'll start actually with this amount and get right here on the edge, making sure not to stitch onto this part, but start right here and go up, grade into 5/8, go all the way around at 5/8, come back down, and then grade into whatever the seam allowance is right here. So here are my stitching lines on both sides. So you can see I have 5/8 of an inch seam allowance up here, but then grade it down to where it would evenly and sharply fit this part. And I did the same on this side as well, and that's definitely just a little thinner. I'm gonna trim this down and then turn out the collar. So once you have this all pinned down, matching the existing stitching line, you can go right over this and edge stitch the whole collar down along the bottom. I love this way of attaching the collar so much better. And here's the finished result. I love how neatly the collar and the button placket meet. Try this method of attaching the collar and let me know what you think.